All right, look at that, you've made it. Last module. This is Russ Thomas, and like the title says, in this one we're going to be exploring advanced system topics. So in this final module, we're going to hit a number of topics related to the care and feeding of your Redshift cluster. It's often thought, mistakenly, that a cloud platform is completely hands-off, that somewhere or some kind of technology in the cloud just does all the magic. Well, while there are many areas of concern that you can let go of, i.e. patching or replacement of aging equipment, in a cloud platform as a service, there are still some maintenance items that you yourself are responsible for. So we'll talk about backing up and protecting yourself from failure first. While Amazon has existing SLAs and is very robust, there is no such thing as 100% uptime and guaranteed data protection. You will want to take steps to protect and minimize the impact of unforeseen problems within your cluster. Now, a very common issue is that no amount of cloud magic is going to protect you from accidental deletion or schema changes that were made preemptively or accidentally that ended up destroying data. From there, we'll talk about some of the other maintenance concerns common to organizations that run a Redshift cluster, namely the vacuum process, managing performance, and keeping an eye on internal processes. This naturally leads to a discussion about system monitoring in general. Redshift provides a number of critical system views and methods to gain important insight and information about your cluster, and having a good understanding of these system views can lead to other benefits, such as the ability to run security audits, maintain system logs, and track important details about your data and its queries. So let's start this conversation with a discussion about backing up Redshift.